Me and my best friend just bought 2 cars and we will attempt to flip them in 1 week. I will give you guys a little backstory. We never intended to buy these cars. We are only 2 mechanics who know absolutely nothing about flipping cars. But then, suddenly, on a random Tuesday, I get a text from a guy I know who's trying to get rid of these 2 cars for an absolute bargain price. I couldn't resist. So I texted my best friend and we put our money together so that we could buy these cars and learn how to flip them as we go. Sure, the cars needed a little bit of work, but that didn't scare me and my friend. We are always open for a challenge. So we made our way to the seller and we picked up these 2 beautiful cars. A Renault Twingo from 2011 and a Suzuki Swift from 2010. We took the cars to our garage and immediately started working on them, to not waste any time because every second matters. The first thing we did was replace the rear brake pads of the brake shoe. Then we went ahead and changed the air filter. As you can see, it was absolutely nasty. The next thing we did was give the car a little oil change. Put the oil in the car, brother. Oh yeah. Bro, is this cooking oil? What did you buy? Why is it so yellow? Then, after performing the oil change, we need to check if there was leaks and if everything was running how it's supposed to be. Okay. Come, bro, come.
Yes,
we put the we put the oil in the engine.
Yes.
Tell me, is the car gonna blow up if I start it? Est-ce qu'elle va exploser quand je démarre? I haven't told you guys yet, but my friend is new to speaking English. Let's put the keys in the ignition.
Allez, let's go.
Bismillah insurance. Oh putain. It didn't blow up.
Laisse un peu tourner, laisse un peu tourner.
Okay, man. Inspection.
Inspection. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
No leaks.
No leaks.
No leaks. Okay.
Tire.
What? Oh. Where is it? There it is. So then, after inspecting the car, we put the wheels back on and we pulled it outside so we can start cleaning it. Now we're done and I'm gonna start cleaning the car. So I just finished cleaning the car. Now we're gonna put the wheel covers on. But then, when trying to put on the wheel covers, something stupid happened. Putain, bro. Oh, they just cracked. What? Now after like 30 minutes, I got all 4 of them on the car. As you can see. Great success! And we pulled out the second car so we can start the cleaning.
Wait.
Whoa! Slowly, man! You're gonna crash into the wall, bro. We cleaned the two cars and now we'll go take the pictures. But me and him, we both want to take this one. So we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors for who gets to drive it. So, rock, paper, scissors.
En 3, en 3, en 3.
Oh, come on. Rock, paper, scissors. Ah! Eh, t'as plus besoin de jouer.
Non, non, attends.
Rock, paper, scissors. Ah! 3-0. Yes, sir! Okay, guys, we just took the pictures for the cars. Now we're gonna go ahead and list them online.
Yes.
And hopefully we will sell them fast. And then after only 2 days of waiting, we managed to sell the first car. Oh. Yeah. Okay guys, we sold the Twingo, first car down. Now we only need to sell the Suzuki. So, good job. And not long after, we were also able to sell the Suzuki. So, what have we earned in 1 week of buying, fixing and cleaning these two cars? Well, let me give you guys a little breakdown. We bought the two cars for 3,700 euros and we spent an additional 200 euros on parts, which makes a grand total of 3,900 euros. And now let's come to our earnings. We were able to sell the Twingo for 3,200 euros and the Suzuki for 2,500 euros, which in total makes 5,700 euros. That leaves us with a profit of 1,800 euros, which is not bad at all. So that was it with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future car flips.